A new report by the Association for Democratic Reforms revealed that the Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu has emerged as the richest chief minister in the northeast and the fourth richest in the country, while nearly half of India's sitting chief ministers have declared criminal cases against themselves. Well, India's political wealth map has a new marking point. According to the latest ADR report, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu has declared assets worth 332.56 crore rupees, making him the richest chief minister in the northeast and the fourth richest chief minister in India. Well, the ADR and National Election Watch report and analyzed the self-sworn election affidavits. It considered all 31 sitting chief ministers from 28 states and 3 union territories. The report revealed that only 4 chief ministers in India have declared assets worth more than 100 crore rupees, placing Khandu in the country's elite billionaire CM club. Now, the report also provides a broader picture of wealth in the northeast. Pema Khandu's affidavit also shows substantial liabilities. He has declared liabilities worth 180.27 crore rupees, the second highest among all chief ministers in India, behind Karnataka's D.K. Shivakumar. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma ranks third nationally in liabilities with 16.86 crore rupees. Nagaland Chief Minister Nefiu Rao ranks fifth nationally with declared assets of 46.95 crore rupees, followed by Assam CM Biswa Sarma with 35.16 crore. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has declared assets worth 14.6 crore rupees, while Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha has reported assets of 13.90 crore rupees. Among the remaining northeastern chief ministers, Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Tamang has declared assets worth 6.69 crore. Mizoram Chief Minister Lal Duhoma 4.13 crore rupees and Manipur Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Singh 2.38 crore rupees. With Pema Khandu now among India's 4 billionaire chief ministers, the northeast has secured a prominent place in the country's political wealth rankings.